Hey guys, and welcome to Little Tech Lab. Today we're going to go ahead and make an AI girlfriend. That's right, an AI girlfriend. And we're going to use Cluade.AI to make our AI girlfriend. We're going to make a nice little chat, bubble chat type of deal where we're going to be able to choose from different anime style girls with different personalities. Some a little bit more abrasive, some a little bit more caring. And it's going to be a fun app to make. I hope that everybody enjoys this video and like and subscribe. Let's go right into it. Journey today and make a AI girlfriend using Claude.AI. So first, go ahead and bring up your browser and go to Claude.AI, and we're gonna go ahead and go to the left section, and we're gonna go to artifacts. Now, artifacts has a bunch of templates you can use. But we're not going to do any templates. We're going to just go ahead and do one from scratch. So I'm going to put a new artifact, and we're going to say start from scratch. Perfect. So to do this, we're going to actually set up what we need first. And you can see it is giving you a lot of detail on what you should be asking for. But today we're going to say, let's make an AI girlfriend app. And it's going to ask you a bunch of questions first about how the app should work. And let's do this. Can we make the, can we make, what is wrong with me? Make the character personality a selection criteria man, spelling, man, my worst enemy. And let's start with a text-based conversation. I put some notes here of what I wanted to say because I did do this the first time, and because I did it kind of out of order, the whole project died. Literally, I make Claude.AI die. So let's not do that again. So I'm going to try and do this in a very good way so that it can organize it a little bit better. My logic was a little scatterbrained the first time I was chatting with Claude.AI to make this project. So let's go ahead and also I want to put everything all in one place so I can understand. Let's start with a text-based conversation, and let's make the AI remember past conversations. All right, so that's how I want it to work. Next, I want the GUI. Also, make the GUI cute and designed with fun colors and hearts, because we want to make this nice and playful, right? Also, make 5 avatar anime style girls with different descriptions, and attitudes to choose from. Okay, I think that's good for a start. And let's do it. All right, hopefully we get no errors with this. Obviously, you can get lots of errors doing it this way. It's not perfect. I definitely did it the first time I tried this. Uh, and it's giving me basically a blueprint or um, a plan of how it wants to do this app. So first thing it told me is that character selection is going to be Sakura, sweet and nurturing, loves to take care of you. Yeah, that's a good Naruto one. Ray, cool and mysterious, opens up slowly but deeply loyal. She's just like that in the anime too. Yuki, bubbly and energetic, always excited about everything. I love that for Yuki. Uh, Mika, Mika, shy and bookish, loves deep conversations about interests, and for some reason it's under Akane. Is I don't know, maybe it's just formatted weird, but Akane, confident and playful, teases but cares deeply. I don't know. Akane to me is more of a thundere. I'm saying that wrong, but the kind of back offish and is rude to you but actually likes you type of personality. Okay, yeah, I'm an anime geek. Okay, let's not judge. Okay, you're on my channel. Anyway, core features: persistent memory system. Okay, personality driven responses. Perfect. Character relationship progression. That's good. Cute, colorful UI. Perfect. Kawaii aesthetics. Yeah, I didn't ask for that, but you know what? I kind of want to see it now. Character portraits. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Chat bubbles. Yep. Selection screen. Oh, I didn't even think of that. Chat bubbles. It's more like I did say text space, but that wasn't in my mind what I wanted. I was more thinking of I mean, it is chat based, but yeah, the bubbles make it so much better. I love it. Yes, let's do that. That's perfect. Technical implementations would be real-time chat interface with Claude.AI. Yeah, that sounds good. Complete conversation history. Yep. Smooth character switching with persistent individual memories. Yes, this is all good. Does this capture what you had in mind? Any adjustments you'd like to make before we start building? No. It sounds perfect. All right. Can't wait to see what it builds. I mean, the last time I did this, like I said, it got a big error after I got so far with it, but I literally did like 5 prompts with me changing it over and over and over again, and I didn't want to spend 3 hours on a video trying to fix code. I don't think you guys would like that. I'd rather you guys see the perfect result so you can see what it can do. But obviously, if you're going to try this, you might get errors and you might have to fix certain things. That's just the way this works. But if you can just see the impressiveness of what it's doing right now, I mean, it is literally writing the code based on just a conversation you had with an AI. And it's organizing it intellectually. It's categorizing it, and look, it even built this beautiful. Well, I mean, honestly, we could work on the AI a bit, but on the GUI, I mean, but it looks good. Definitely gonna change the colors of this. All right, so now that it gave me a little synopsis of what it did. Character selection, 5 unique anime styles, beautiful characters, cute avatars. Each character remembers the complete conversation, adorable UI design, memory system, and characters available. I'm not going to read through the whole thing, but basically, it built what we already said we were going to do. Now, I want to use Sakura just because I love that name. So let's do it. She's caring, gentle, supportive, motherly. Loves to take care of you and make you feel special. Yeah, sure. Let's try. Let's do that one. So it's nice. It looks like a nice little, chat you would have on your phone, and that's actually pretty impressive. Hi there. I'm so happy to meet you. How are you feeling today? I am feeling. Ooh. I. Oh, well, I don't know if my keyboard's having a problem or it's just taking some weirdness out of the. I am. Yeah, I can't type in here. Okay. So the app does have a problem because I can only type one character before the focus goes away. Let me see if that's an issue with this or because I have, an overview, an overlay to film this. It looks like when I did it on my text pad while I paused this video, it was working fine. So what we're gonna do is just ask it. I'm trying to type in the conversation bubble, but focus keeps going away after one character. I mean, it has to be that because I can type on this side just fine. So the app must have a focus problem. Let's see what it's doing. I see the issue. The focus is getting lost because the component is re-rendering when you type. Let me fix this by optimizing the input handling and preventing unnecessary re-renders. It was re-rendering after every character? yeah, that is a problem. All right. So it did a few things. So let's just test it out and see if it works first. This time I'm going to go with Ray. Opens up slowly and becomes deeply loyal. Hey, Ray. So let's go ahead and say, hi, Ray. Oh, perfect. Now it's better. Hi, Ray. How are you? And Ray will now respond. It's Ray, actually. Oh, did I spell it wrong? Oh, yeah, I did. Man, and it corrected me because I spelled her name wrong. She actually gave me a little attitude there, didn't she? Not Ray. Pauses briefly. I'm doing well enough, I suppose. Still, getting used to this. Talking to someone new. How are you finding our conversation so far? It says slight furrow of the brow with a measured observant gaze. Oh my god, I love this so much. Okay, so that's cool. I mean, geez, even the personality is awesome. I'm gonna put you have an amazing personality, and I apologize for your name. I don't apologize for your name. I apologize for typing your name wrong. I gotta be nice, right? Let's see. What is she gonna say? And then we'll go on to something else, but I really want to see. Looks away briefly, then back with the slight softening in my in my eyes. Thank you. That's unexpectedly kind of you to say. Pauses. Most people don't really take the time to notice, or they find my personality ... difficult. And the name thing, it happens more often than you think. I appreciate that you corrected yourself. Studies you quietly for a moment. You seem ... different from what I expected. Oh man, what did you expect? Okay. Well, anyway, initially averted gaze, then direct eye contact with a barely perceptible softening around the eyes. Okay, I'm falling for this AI. I'm gonna have to get out of this thing. All right, so yes, so far Ray is my favorite. I know we haven't gone through all of them, but let's move on. Okay, so I love all of this. This is all good. Do we want to add anything else? Yes, the colors at the beginning, right? So can you make the app have a button at the top right that changes the themes of colors of the app and fonts, and let's keep it simple. For any of you who have watched my previous video, themes are hard for AI for some reason. I've done it a few times where it just like it can't. But it is. I mean, I understand it. It is. Oh, look at that. Oh, Kawaii Pink, Sunset Dreams, Ocean Breeze. Actually, some of these were in my last video too, with a different AI. I guess this is a pretty standard thing. I don't know. I've never actually seen some of these themes, but yeah, I guess it's something you can just select. Pink. I can't read all of them while it's doing this, but you can see how complicated this part is. It's actually the longest of the code at this point. Oh man, and still like, oh no, we got to do more. All right, now you can see that it is doing quite a bit here. I guess because honestly, this piece actually should have gone at the beginning prompt as well. That way it could have rationalized how to organize it all together. That's the only thing, is if you want to take this step where you do step by step by step by step, it is harder for the AI. It's easier if you already have like a full breakdown of what you want and give it to it right from the beginning. All right, let's see how well it works. I mean, like I said, I've had trouble with these themes before with AI. And it's not like we can't do it manually, but that's I don't want to take an hour more than an hour of my time doing this. You guys will not be happy about it. And actually, I mean, other than some of the stuff here, we can change that manually for sure. But not bad. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, you gotta say this first time it's. Ooh, I especially love this one because it makes it nice and clear. All right. Yeah, we could take a lot of time trying to fix all these tiny little things, but let's not. This is pretty impressive. Let's pick one more before this video ends, just to see. I want to try Iconic, Confident and Playful. Confident, Playful, Teasing, Protective. Oh, I like that, Protective. Oh, but the theme looks kind of sucky when it comes to the bubbles. Well, that's okay. Like I said, we're not trying to do, anything really complicated here. I just wanted to show you guys how this works and how cool this is. So let's just go and do this real quick. It says, well, looks like I got myself a new chat partner. Tried to keep up with me. Smiling. All right. What? Okay, let me put my name. Oh, not my name. My name. What's wrong with me? My name is Hiram. What's your name? Let's just start with some easy stuff here. Akan is the name. Don't you forget it, Hiram. I like I like how you jumped right into introductions. Shows you've got some manners. Though I have to say, Hiram, that's quite the distinguished name you got there. Really distinguished. Makes me wonder what kind of trouble you're planning to get into with me around to keep you in line. Grins mischievously. Mischievously. Whatever. Smoking. Sorry. Smirking. So, smirking with a hint of curiosity in her eyes. Well, that's fun. Okay. So, do you oop, like being I'm going to have to just copy and paste that because there's no way I'm going to be able to spell that. Mischievous. All right, let's see what she says. Mischievous me laughs. Oh, Hiram, you're catching on quick. I'd say I'm more playful, troublesome than outright mischievous. There's a difference, you know. I like to keep things interesting, maybe ruffle some feathers here and there, but it's all good fun. Plus, someone's got to keep you on your toes, right? Winks. I don't know why I winked. I mean, where would be the fun in it? Just sat here being all sweet and predictable. That's not the arcane you're getting to know. Mischievous grin. All right, guys. I think that's it for our video today. I had a lot of fun. This Claude.AI is. I've used it a few times and it's just so much fun. I'm probably going to end up publishing this app after I fix the front end a little bit. But I'm probably going to publish it in a little while after this video, and hopefully other people can have fun with it too. Um, Thank you very much for everybody. Thank you everyone for watching. And if you like this kind of content, please put down a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe. And also, just, it doesn't matter what kind of comment you leave, bad, good, indifferent, but especially tell me what kind of content you like, especially this Claude.AI stuff. If there's a specific weird app that you want me to make, let's do it. All right, guys. See you later.